So here we have the logarithmic expression 2 times log of 5 plus log of 8 minus half log of 4. We need to simplify it. So what we will do, we'll begin by using the property that a times log of b, that is the same as log of b raised to the power of a. So for the first term, we have 2 log of 5. So that means we can take 2 and raise it as the exponent or the power of 5 plus log of 8. So 8 will be 2 cubed, means the same thing, minus log of, so we have 4. So 4 will be 2 squared raised to the power of 1 over 2. So that's equals to, so we have log of 5 squared plus log of 2 cubed minus log of, here we have 2 times 2 raised to the power of 2, whole raised to the power of half. So that means we have 2 raised to the power of 2 times 1 half. So that means this will give us 2. Fine. Now what we'll do, we'll combine the first term and the second term using the property that if we have log of a added to another log of b, so there is the same as logarithm of a times b. So this will give us log of 5 squared times 2 cubed minus log of 2. Now we have 2 logarithm but with a negative sign. So that means we can use the next property, which is log of a minus log of b, and that will be equals to log of a over b. So let's use this. So this should give us log of 5 squared times 2 cubed divided by 2, or simply log of 5 squared times 2 squared. Here we have cancelled 1 2 from the numerator and the denominator. Fine. So 5 squared times 2 squared. What's the value of 5 squared times 2 squared? So that's simply 100. Now what's 100? 100 we can also represent it as 10 squared, means the same thing. So we can again use this property to get 2 times log of 10. And we know that the log of 10, that value is equals to 1. So that will be 2 times 1, which is equals to 2. So that means the simplified value of our given expression, 2 log of 5 plus log of 8 minus half log of 4. So that's equals to 2. So this is the final answer.